Hi guys, hello everyone, namaste. So guys, behalf of today's day, let's see guidance from Lakshmi Mata. And here's our first card. Okay, fine. There are two cards, so I'll take both the cards. The first card is this, which says ethical actions lead to lasting wealth. So guys, whatever path you have choose to gain money, it should be ethical, okay? And it will really lead to long lasting money, and that's the right thing, that's a true thing. There's a remedy given below. Always conduct business with honesty. Wow. So if you are into the business, please see to that you are doing it with all honesty. You're not doing any type of cheating or so and so. So yes, obviously it will add to your karma, whatever you are doing, whatever deeds you are doing. There is an affirmation given below. My wealth is built on integrity and ethical principles. So do chant this affirmation. It will really help you a lot, and feel it while chanting. This is what I would say. I'm keeping this card in front of you for a few more seconds so that you take the screenshot of it for the affirmation and for the remedy, and mark down the message. This is what I would say again, because now in this era of ghor peak Kali Yuga, like where the Kali Yuga is at peak, everyone choose path that is a shortcut, that is maybe wrong, but they don't think ahead what may happen also. So please be little considerable about it. Okay, let's see another message that I had sent to you, and our second message is this. Just a minute, guys. Okay, now it is clear. Your ancestors' financial patterns can be released. So maybe if you are facing any like blockages in your, uh, you know, finances, in your career also, that may be something ancestral issue, maybe. See, and remedy is also given the same. Perform ancestral healing rituals to release negative financial patterns. So work on it, guys. So maybe some of you are having ancestral issue, and hence you're not able to move forward in your career, in your financial life. There's the affirmation given below. I release all negative financial patterns from my ancestral lineage. So, and a lot of them face this issue nowadays, Pitrudosh, which is known as. So, please, you can take the screenshot of it, and you can work on it. So, guys, this video will get extended because we're seeing one more message, and the message is from Lord Surya, the Sun God, and let's see what channelized messages Lord Sun is giving us. So, guys, very beautiful channelized messages Lord Sun is giving us over here. So, the very first message that Lord Sun sees is that powers of this Lord, they are very strong, and many of them fear on the earth. But here's the message that you should not fear if you are something, you are not doing something wrong or so, right? So whatever fears you have within yourself, you have to face it. This is what Sun Lord is saying over here, because he's saying that he's the Lord of tremendous healing power. So be wise and pray to Sun Lord each day at dawn or dusk. This is what has been said to you by Sun Lord. And there are some more guidances, there are some more messages. I mean, I would say for love life, there is one message that beware of a relationship in which there is a power imbalance. For it will most likely fail. So if there is no equal give and take, there is no understanding, no communication as such or so, and only you are getting suffered, then obviously such a relationship won't work. So you need to learn from it. This is what is being said by Sun Lord. Now, with respect to abundance in your life, a flow of money is coming to you, but you should keep some aside for later, and that's a true thing. Take care with credit cards. Remember to be generous to others in need. So, if possible, help others who are in need. And this help doesn't always comes with money, but in whichever possible way you can, please go ahead. This is what has been said, and that's a true thing, that whatever abundance you're attracting with respect to money, please do not spend all of your money. Keep it aside, because we never know what can happen next, right? With respect to your work and business, the message is there. Work may be demanding, very demanding, and your boss may be overbearing. However, disputes will be settled in your favor. Business owners should take time out to rest. So, if you are doing a job, obviously you have to face some disputes, and you might be facing it currently, but yes, they will be settled and everything will turn in your favor. Some miracle may happen, or maybe when you pray to Lord Sun, it will create some miracle, I feel over here. And yes, to business owners, please take some rest. Now it is summer, so please go on a vacation if possible. Please take out time for yourselves. So if you are someone who is studying, for you the message is, consider a future outdoors occupation. Some dispute with regard to exams is possible, so be ready. And nowadays we get to listen so much, like some of the other issues are happening in, with students, a lot of things. So one such possibility sun god is giving over here. Well, and look for outdoor opportunities for occupation. It may help you. With respect to your future, you may need to take action regarding your health for a positive outcome. Your future indicates a time of increased public recognition of your work and life. Wow, beautiful message, right? And take care of your health. If you're not exercising, start doing it. At least go for a walk in the morning, in the evening. In the morning, especially, I would say, because at that time the air is very clean. And if possible, do yoga. That's the best thing one can do. Surya Namaskar. So do consider it. So guys, let me tell you one thing, that any mantra, any prayer, if it is there to invoke Sun Lord, I will give it in the description. So do watch it. Do check in the description. And I am signing off with this video till then. Thank you.